want to do a little tutorial today on how to draw specifically a femur, but just how I go from my sketch phase to my rendered sketch to my details and the line work. But I also wanted to show you how I do this sort of grungy, gritty style I do most of my bones. So first things first, whenever I start a new project, I get rid of this background layer. I know that it's locked and all, but you can still draw in it by accident. So just a quick tip, what I do, I unlock it, I make it grey because it doesn't hurt my eyes as much, lock it again, and then you can't draw on it anymore. So now if we make a new layer, we'll call this one sketch. I always start with this bottom hard round pressure, opacity and flow. That's what I always start with. Go down to like 70%, and I'll have it fairly big. Like, it doesn't need to be massive because we'll go to the smaller brush later when we start refining it. So I'm not going to be copying this femur exactly as it is. I'm going to use it as a reference and draw it in my own position or my own proportions. So I'll start off with a bit bigger. So we'll just start off with super light brush strokes, and we're just gonna try and copy it roughly as to where everything is. It doesn't matter if the proportions are out slightly, a bit too high, because we can fix those super easy later on. At the moment, this is just getting that first initial shape. And just keep all the lines in, because when you have all of these, as you can see, there's loads of lines. Your eye will find the point it finds most appealing. So what I'll do now is I will go back to my brush tool, or B, and put this at 100%, and then make my brush that little bit smaller, but still with this really soft brush. And now I will start adding in these middle parts, like the different angles of the bone, the parts that are clearly in front. So this is the back part. Let me zoom in here. So here we've got this part, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's in front of this back ball joint. So this line here, I'll be adding all these sort of things in now. Okay, so now we've got to this stage. I'm quite happy with that. What I want to do now is I'm going to go back to my brush tool, keep it on this one, make it about maybe 80 or 90%, and make the brush that little bit smaller. And now we can then start refining it a bit more. Okay, we're at this stage. Now we can go on to starting on some line art. So I will reduce the opacity down to about 50%. Maybe lock it just so that we don't draw on the wrong layer. Now this is the fun part. I can get rid of this, I don't need it anymore. We're going to draw just with the hard round brush. Re-zoom in a little bit, we can just start sketching away. Find these areas that you like. Okay, now we've got our rough sketch done. We can get rid of this sketch and we're just left with the line art here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tidy it up a little bit. Where these lines are thicker and thinner, I'm going to try and make them sort of the same weight, but not too much because it is still it's still a natural object. So I'll zoom in a little bit and just sort of tidy things up a little bit, just a bit. Okay, now will be the stage that I will then start adding detail, texture, and refining it in the end. Okay, so if we add a new layer, and we can do this one as texture. I think on the picture, yeah, they've got like the end of the ball is quite smooth, but this bit's all dotty. So remember that, and we can sort of work that in. Now what I'm doing with my pen, as I'm pulling it across the tablet, it is so light that it's barely picking it up, and sometimes I'll just sort of like shake my hand a little bit so I get these like, this really cool effect, and I'll use that for texturing. Okay, once you're happy with the line art, I'm pretty happy with this. Let's just loosen this up a little bit. I'll just get the eraser or a mask and I'll just sort of like scratch out the bits that are a bit too heavy for my liking. Yeah, so once you're happy with it, what I like to do is just to give it sort of like a comic-y sort of look or a tattoo sort of style, is I'll make one more layer, get my brush tool and go a little bit bigger. Maybe about 10 pixels. And I'll just go around the outside and try and follow all the little lumps and bumps. Okay, so that is how I would go about drawing a femur, but it's more so to look at my sketching process. So we went from this rough sketch to the line art, then we added the texture, and then we add that thick black line afterwards. Hopefully it helps, and I've enjoyed showing you the process that I use to make my artwork. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.